I'm going to show you how to turn your long-form videos into non-stop viral short clips using AI, and not just any clips, but ones that feel native, punchy, and actually drive views. I'll walk you through how to automatically find the golden moments in your long content, how to build a consistent channel style, how to auto-schedule, and how to manage it all in one place. I've tested a lot of tools, and for repurposing long videos into short viral posts, this one is the one I keep coming back to. Links in the description if you want to check it out. But for now, let's dive in, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So first up, the basics. And this is the part that's shockingly simple. You upload a long video. It can be a podcast episode, a YouTube long form, or a recorded interview, and the tool does the heavy lifting. There's a main workspace where the AI analyzes the full video, detecting high-energy moments, emotional spikes, and punchlines. It even looks for intriguing statements and important visual cues like big expressions or close-ups. For a demo, I threw in a 40-minute interview, hit analyze, and within a minute, the system had queued up a batch of 30 short clips it considered worthy. If you hit preview, you can scroll through each clip and the AI timestamped the exact start and end for the most viral potential. For most creators, this alone is a game changer because what used to take me hours of scrubbing and cutting now comes out in just a few minutes. And yes, some clips are obvious winners and some are duds, but that's perfectly fine. You can scrap the bad ones and keep the great ones, or you can simply let the AI rework them for you. Now, obviously, there's more you can do than just accept the first batch, because I want my clips to look consistent. So, I show the system who I am by creating a creator profile, which is basically a persona for my entire channel. You upload a few headshots, a few examples of intros you like, maybe a short branding audio file, and the system learns what your on-camera personality looks and sounds like. From now on, when it auto-generates clips, it can also prioritize moments that match your vibe, like more smiles if that's your jam.
Or it can prioritize more technical, articulate moments if you're running a deep dive channel.
Once my persona was ready, I asked the tool to generate clips again, and the results noticeably improved. This included more shots where I gesture, better framing suggestions, and it even proposed short thumbnail text ideas that fit my tone. That persona creation is similar to what some thumbnail tools call face presets, but here it's about the editing taste and how the AI picks moments for me. One of my favorite features is the style extractor, if you want your short clips to match a successful channel's energy or to have a unified look. You can either give the system a set of your own best performing short clips or paste in a competitor's URL to teach it a specific style. For example, if you like the pacing and punch of a particular educational channel, you can feed a few of their clips into the style creator and hit train. Then you ask the tool to create new clips in a very similar rhythm and tempo without copying word for word. It learns style cues like quick cuts, text timing, and color grading suggestions, and then applies that when making your clips. I used 3 clips from my own channel as style seeds, and the system generated a new batch that felt instantly familiar. This new batch had the same punch, the same text punch-ins, and a visual flow that would slot right into my feed. Another thing I love is how easy it is to tweak an auto-created clip if the AI trims the ending a bit too soon. You can open that clip in the editor, nudge the in-out points, add or remove captions, or pile on a quick animated intro. Or you can even replace the audio snippet with a cleaner recording right inside the platform. The editor is surprisingly flexible, featuring a multi-track timeline, smart captions, and a one-click export for each social platform specification. I often run a clip through twice, one version optimized for vertical mobile viewing, and one for a slightly different shorts crop.
Now, let me show you something even more powerful. Bulk creation, combined with the auto-schedule feature.
You can select 20+ clips and tell the system when you want them posted. Daily, multiple times per day, or only on weekdays. The auto-scheduler takes care of publishing across all your connected platforms, letting you set the cadence and the first post date. If you want to maintain a consistent voice or text overlay, the tool will keep those elements uniform across the batch. For creators trying to grow, this removes the grinding, manual work of uploading and timing every single piece of content. Set a cadence, add your clips to the queue, and it will drip them out over weeks while you focus on making fresh long-form stuff. That ties into the content calendar, which is where all this actually becomes sustainable for your channel. The calendar shows everything scheduled, lets you drag and drop clips to new dates, batch edit captions, or even pause posts if needed. It turns scattered editing tasks into an actual manageable content pipeline that you can see clearly. For anyone managing multiple channels or wanting to repurpose one video into a month of shorts, this single dashboard workflow is pure gold. Now, full transparency, it's not absolutely perfect, because the AI can sometimes pick a clip that needs context. That's a line that slaps, but only if you see the preceding 3 seconds. So you'll often need to nudge the in-out points or add a lead-in. And like all AI-based editors, you'll hit the best results by iterating, generate, review, tweak, and then regenerate the content. Some clips require a couple passes before they are truly viral ready. but that's expected in this process. Even with those quick iterations, the time saved is massive compared to the effort of editing everything from scratch yourself. Let's talk competitors briefly because there are other tools that try to do parts of this job. Some tools are great at transcription or captions, others have scheduling, and a few promise simple AI clip picks. But many of them are either too narrowly focused, meaning you still need 3 different apps, or they lock useful features behind expensive tiers. Some of those alternatives are painfully manual, you still have to cut the clips yourself, and others will give you generic clips that don't match your channel voice. This system's sweet spot is the all-in-one flow. Strong clip detection, editable outputs, built-in scheduling, and a calendar all working together. For me, that single cohesive ecosystem is what makes this platform practical for scaling my output. About costs, because I know you're wondering how many credits or dollars this actually takes to run. The platform offers tiered plans, and depending on how much you repurpose, you'll want at least the mid-level option to avoid hitting your limits. In my experience, one 30 to 60 minute long video will typically yield 20 to 40 candidate clips to start with. Expect to trim, rerun, and edit a subset of those, because that's a normal part of the refinement process. If you're doing heavy personalization like training a persona or building custom styles, those take a bit of time and sometimes an initial processing cost for setup. Realistically, once you've dialed in a style and persona, your cost per usable clip becomes tiny, and the time savings are the real return on investment. Don't expect perfection on the very first go. You should budget to create several test clips before you settle on a repeatable template. Here are a few workflow tips from my testing. First, always create a style seed from your best performing shorts. That helps the AI prioritize content that matches your top performing patterns for better initial picks. Second, keep a short boilerplate outro or call to action that you can drop on every clip so the AI can append it automatically. Third, use the calendar to batch schedule an entire month of posts from a single long video. That's how you get exponential output from one recording session. To wrap up, if you produce long-form content and want to feed the short-form beast without hiring an editor for every 10-second clip, this tool lets you scale. Auto-editing, that actually finds the moments, style presets so your shorts look consistent, and an auto-scheduler plus calendar, that's the real magic here. It won't fully replace your creative judgment, but it massively accelerates the grind and keeps your channel active without burning you out. If you want to try it, check the description for the link and any current special offers available right now. Start with one long video, let the AI suggest clips, build a style with your top 3 shorts, create a persona, and schedule a week's worth of posts. You'll be surprised how quickly you can start to scale your presence across all platforms by using this method. Alright, that's it. Go make a month of shorts out of a single long video and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'll be right there in the comments section to answer all your specific questions about the workflow.